Why I film my life, even when nothing's happening. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I filmed this on a quiet drive from Putin to Amsterdam. Nothing extraordinary happened. No big story, no cinematic drama, just the road, the sky, and my thoughts. And maybe that's the point. Sometimes the most honest moments don't come with fireworks. They come with motion, with silence, with time to notice what we usually ignore. I've been filming my life randomly, even when it seems like nothing's happening. Sometimes I just feel the urge to just pull out the camera and record or press the shutter. Because I've learned that something is always happening. The present moment is all we have. So instead of us always waiting for something to happen tomorrow or in the future, it's quite an enlightening thought to realize that right now something is always happening. Even if it's just the way light shifts on a dashboard or how a shadow dances across a roadside fence. Even if it's just how the word airbag is carved into the bodywork of the interior of the car and how the light illuminates it. I'm realizing that, well, at least for me, filming isn't always about making content that tries to sell something or tries to meet a particular objective. Sometimes it's just about catching a feeling before it disappears, or catching a visual story before it's gone. And the truth is, those moments, those fleeting, unspoken moments, those barely noticeable things that we have that happen all around us, sometimes those are the things that really matter. Not for the algorithm, not for the likes, but for me, and maybe for you. I'm sitting in the back of the car. I watch the world pass through glass and pixels, and I'm reminded that motion itself is beautiful. That arriving somewhere doesn't always mean progress, or progress doesn't always mean that you have to arrive somewhere. Sometimes just moving, just breathing, just waking up, sometimes that is enough. Sometimes I think we rush too much. Sometimes I think I rush too much to create, to prove a point, or to succeed, or to do something that people will clap to, or say, wow, congratulations. Sometimes that hustle is just a lot. But what if the quiet in-between moments, like sitting in the back of the car while it travels, when you can do nothing but just sit and wait? What if those are the moments that shape us the most? So I keep filming, even when nothing's happening. Even if it's just with my phone or any device at all, I keep filming. I keep filming, especially when nothing's happening, because one day I'll look back at this footage and I'll realize that this was something. This was life. And if you're watching this, maybe it's your reminder to film your life, even if it feels ordinary. To take photographs even when there's no reason to design, to create, to write a song, put down some lyrics, even if there's no one asking you to or there's no reason to. Because it's those ordinary things that sometimes define your life. Sometimes ordinary is everything. It's everything you have in the moment, and really whatever you have in the moment is everything that you really have. You don't have the past anymore, and you don't own or have the future. All you have is now, this present ordinary moment. Well, those are just my thoughts, and these are just random shots that I took while on a trip to Amsterdam from Putin on my last trip to Netherlands. I shot it handheld with my Sony ZV-E1, and I think I had the Sony 28 to 70mm lens on it. Let me know if you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you enjoyed this style of video, and if anything I said resonated with you, please drop in the comments. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like the video. I want to hear your comments. Till the next one, keep filming your life.